Good evening, ma'am.
A very good evening, Eklavya. How are you?
Ma'am, fine.
Okay. So, today's our topic chemical bonding and molecular structure.
Okay, ma'am.
First, tell me that what is the bonding?
Ma'am, bonding is an attractive force that is responsible for holding the different constituents of two elements together. This is responsible for making atoms, molecules, basically like mini gravity.
How many types of bonds?
Ma'am, in main there are two types of bonds: interatomic, which is further classified into metallic and coefficient, and then this intermolecular, which is divided into van der Waals force, which has 5 forces, and it is also divided into H forces, H forces, which is also divided into 5 forces.
How will you define only bond word?
Ma'am, bond is basically like a attraction or like a joining of two or more things. Which is bond is like an attractive force which is important for bonding.
What do you know about bonds, chemical bonds?
And chemical bonds are basically these small bonds but at a molecular level, which are responsible for joining atoms and neutrons, electrons together to form molecules, which in turn form different compounds and elements to constitute the elements around us.
And if bonds will be formed more easily between atoms with the comparatively
Low ionization empathy and high electronification rate.
Okay. H dash O dash H bonds angle in water is
104.5 degrees.
explain this how much.
And this is the angle at which the molecules of water exist normally at.
If the bond entirely of OZ, do you know that?
Okay.
OZ and 2 are 498 kg में 946 kg mole and 435.8 kg mole respectively. Choose the correct order.
And the correct order will be N27, N27 ion, O27 ion, and then it's H2.
How will you define substituent bonds order?
It will be defined as first electronic bond, then alpha low electronic bond, alpha 1 upon bond ratio.
Okay.
Ma'am, these bond ratios, these are what separates a molecular bond from an atomic bond. Atomic bond is basically at the molecular level. It's like neutrons, protons joining together and electrons orbiting them to form the basic elements. Then after that we have the higher levels of bond, which are like stronger than the previous ones. These are used to join atoms together to form molecules, and so on and so on and so on until we get us made up of molecules which are made up of atoms, and we can go further, but that is how it's done.
Okay, tell me one thing. What things attract you from this chapter?
And see, I like chemistry a lot. I like doing experiments. I like being experimental.
What you learn from this chapter? Which one very interested?
I'm interested about how what are inside of atoms, how we can go deeper inside atoms. Atoms we can't see, but if we go deeper inside them, now that's what I find interesting.
Every bonds make after attraction.
Yes.
So for making any bond with chemical structure, first you need to
Attraction.
attraction and force.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.